You're in for a big treat. Today, we're gonna work your thighs. I'm Joel, and I'm here with Elise. You wanna look down, you wanna make sure your feet are perfectly lined up and your toes are right together. Now you wanna bring your hands onto your waist, and we're gonna do hip rolls. Try not to move your shoulders, but try to move your hands and your hips. We wanna really balance those hips up. See how she's moving? Round. There you go, now switch directions. Big circles. You want to get that blood flowing. For 2 and 1, good job. Now you want to take your hand, you want to put it on your stomach. The other hand, palm backwards, and you want to lift this knee up and drop it back down. Lift and lower. Why do we put our hands here? Because she wants to pull her hands together so she activates her abs. You can get it higher, come on, get it up there. Lift and lower, lift and lower. Let's go, stick with me. Let's go, we got about 8 and 7 and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna switch everything, your hands as well, and you're gonna lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower. For 8 and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, all the way up and 1. Good job. Take your hands, interweave them, put them behind your head, lift this knee as high as you can, and you're gonna sway your ankle from side to side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Guess what? We got the other side. Lift it all the way up and breathe. Deep breaths. 4, make it burn, get a little higher. 3, 2, make it burn, and 1. Good job. Shake it out. Now we're going to stretch it out. So you want to bring your feet all the way together. This is called the hippie. This is one of Dr. Oz's favorite stretch. He does this daily. You want to walk your hands down your legs as long as it feels comfortable on your back, and you really want to breathe. You want to use your arms as brackets. You want to stop about right there, straighten your arms, and breathe. Now you gently want to drop your left hip by bending your left knee like that. And a lot of people have a tendency to lift their heels. You want to keep your feet flat, just like Elise is doing. Really flat, and breathe. Deep breaths. And now you're going to switch back and forth. Just go left and right. Really relax your neck. For 5 and 4 and 3, you got it. 2 and 1. Bend your knees. Slowly roll it all the way up, one vertebrae at a time. Now we're going to come back, work those thighs again. Hands on your stomach, hand on your back. You're going to lift this leg all the way up. Now you're going to kick it 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock. 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock. For 10, 9, a little higher. 8 and 7 and 6, 5, you got it. 4, pull that stomach in. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Switch your hands and switch your legs. Get it up, get it up, get it up, get it up. There you go. For 10 and 9 and 8, 7, stick with me, 6, 5, 4, a little higher, and 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Shake it out, shake your hands out. There you go. Now you're gonna bring your hands up like a genie. You're gonna bring your foot across like this. You're gonna point and flex. Why do we bring our hands up here in line with our elbows? Because what it does is it makes you stand up straight. Because if you're not standing up straight, you're gonna fall forward. It's really good to work with balance because the older we get, the more likely we are to lose our balance and hurt ourselves. Come on, give me 8 more. Pull that stomach in. 7 and 6 and 5 and 4. Way up there. 3 and 2. Come on, get it higher. And 1. Good job. We got the other side. Where are those hands going? Get them back up. Let's go. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift, lower. Way up there. For 8, 6, 4, 2, and 1. Good job. Shake it out. Put your hands on your waist. Bring your knee up into a right angle. You're going to lift to the side and lower. This works with balance a little bit differently from side to side, so you may want to put your hand on a wall if it's hard for you to balance. Really breathe. Lift and lower. 5, 4, you got it. Stick with me. 3, 2, and 1. What do we got? The other side. Let's go. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. All the way up. The finish line is coming up. You got 5 more steps, 4 more steps, 3, 2, and you got to the finish line. You know what? You deserve a stretch. It's called the quad pull. You take your hand, you kick your foot up like this. If this works with balance for you and it's difficult, put your hand on the wall or on a sturdy chair. And if this is easy, interweave your hands and press it way back like that. And switch sides. Really breathe, deep breaths for 3, 2, and 1. Shake it all the way out. We want to even those hips back up. So big circles for 5, 4. What are you doing with those toes? You got to get those toes all the way together. There we go. And switch directions. And bring your hands into prayer. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Thank you for joining us. Great workout.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.